Hi guys, welcome to our channel. So today we will go over our morning routine. It's not like our weekday morning routine, it's more like the weekend morning routine, right?
Yeah.
So enjoy the video.
Thank you guys.
Thank you guys.
So hello guys, the next thing that I'm doing is washing my face, and later we will also vlog him how he cook our breakfast, because sometimes he cook and sometimes I cook our breakfast. But first I wash my face first. So I'm still using Clinique to wash my face. Or sometimes I use I don't know how to pronounce that, but I don't have the soap of that, so that's why I use my Clinique, because maybe we can buy later or tomorrow. My armpit is not out. Ayan, so my towel is outside, and thank you so much. Now we will vlog how Tim cook our breakfast and prepare our coffee.
Hi guys, good morning. It's Saturday, so I'll just show you what we usually do on a Saturday morning.
No, it's Friday now. It's holiday.
It's true, it's Friday, but it feels like Saturday.
Yeah.
And why is that?
It's holiday today, guys. It's National Holiday Day.
Exactly.
Yeah, but we don't know if we will go out later, because maybe it's traffic and it's crowded outside.
Exactly.
So maybe we'll just stay here because we have celebration also in our Sky Park. So we will try to go out today.
So usually we don't have that much time in the morning when we're working, but when we get up on a holiday, on the weekends, we have some more time.
Yeah.
So we can make a nice omelette, can make some coffee, all those things. So let me show you how we do that. So Vena and I have different preferences in coffee. That's true, right? Vena likes the white coffee.
Yeah, but before I'm taking the white coffee but no sugar, but we don't have stock, so what I have is the 3-in-1 that already have sugar. But he's putting half only. So Tim, so what's your coffee?
My coffee is Vietnamese coffee, and Vietnamese coffee is different than normal coffee. We cook it.
It's not right, this one.
Oh baby. We cook it with this little thing here, put it in coffee, stomp it, and then we just let it sit for like 15 minutes. But Vietnamese coffee is incredibly delicious. It's my favorite thing. But you don't like it too much? It's too strong for you, baby?
Yeah, it's okay, the 3-in-1. The 3-in-1 is nice.
Let's try to do this.
So while they're doing that, maybe I can talk to them. So guys, we asked our viewers what they want, so we give them 3 choices. If we will do a Pinoy Big Brother, which is already done. I finished the show. Yeah, the show was finished I think last week.
Who won?
It's Yum Yum.
Ah, that guy.
Yeah, and number 2 is we will do the morning routine, and then number 3 is, what's the number 3? I forgot it. And they voted in the morning routine, so we did today because it's holiday and we have more time to do that.
Exactly.
So now I have my coffee.
Spoon.
To stir it.
Like this.
So guys, honestly it's already like about lunch now because it's holiday today and we had a party last night with my friends. And
do you have a hangover, baby?
A bit. And maybe Tim will cook egg for us as a brunch. Then that's it.
I will do it. Get ready. Get ready for the show here.
So guys, as you can see, we're putting the coffee of Tim now here, and we will wait until it will finish here. So maybe the cooking is.
Yeah. So I'll do some eggs now.
So guys, we're having our breakfast now, and now we will show you the outside of our house. So we live in a ground floor, and today is a holiday, and we will go out. We will go later in the top, but we don't know if maybe it's here or in the other tower because ours is tower 10. Okay, so we're in front of the pool. Okay guys, thank you so much, and we will start our breakfast now. So guys, Tim cooked breakfast for us, and we have egg salad that was left last night, and avocado, and also the coleslaw that we had last night. Okay, so let's eat breakfast, and while you're watching us, you can see also the surroundings and outside.
Yeah.
There.
And my coffee, very important.
Yeah, so let's eat coffee. But it's already fine. Okay guys, so you already saw how we do our morning routine, and now we will start our day. So what's the plan?
What's the plan?
So we don't know if we will go out today, but we will first do our routine here in the house. So in the morning I always clean the kitchen, so I will just had our breakfast, and Tim will do.
Yeah, I'll probably just make the bedroom nice and clean up a little bit, because I'm a modern husband, right, baby? Right?
Yeah.
So I take.
He's the one who cook our breakfast, and now he will wash the clothes later while I'm cleaning the kitchen.
So in the Lange family, we share the housework, right? Right, baby? What do you think? We do, right? Sort of. I do some of the housework too, right?
Some.
Okay. Anyway, guys, thank you for.
Is it some?
Some of it, right? Anyway, guys, thank you for watching the video. Yeah, maybe some comments below. Who in your household, who's doing the chores? Is it the man? Is it the husband? Or do we share the responsibility?
Oh, we never argue about the household.
Is it 25%, 75% to you? Or what's?
I work 24/7.
Okay, guys. Thank you
so much, guys, for watching. And if you can comment below, you can comment that what will be our next video, because it's really hard for us to think about our new content. So maybe you can help us, guys. Okay, guys. Bye bye.